Hello mga ka-idol no. So daghang salamat sa inyo ha sa pagsuporta sa akong channel. Kini nga video gihimo nako para makahigayon ko og shout out sa inyo ha. Karon na atay mga shout out daghan ni. Before ko mo kanta aning mag-cover lang sa ta. So ilang ko maglangay no. Shout out kay GC Kotara. Shout out kay Randy Uman. Shout out kay Matt Alonso Udik or Udiki. Shout out po kay Emily Limpiado. Shout out kay Ryan Umintik from Maasim, Sarangani Province. Ug shout out kay Rodrigo Baloyot. Shout out kay Junali Utpo. Ug shout out kay Limar Casquero. Shout out sa Chanting Hearts. Shout out sa inyo ha. Shout out kay Marlon Campos. Okay, mao lang na mga ka-idol no. Sa magpa-shout out sa sunod na pod nga video. So daghang salamat sa inyo mga ka-idol no. Nara na shout out na ta mo. Ug karon makanta ta og cover from Michael Smith. I will be here for you. Okay mga ka-idol. Thank you kayo. Kanta na ta.
When you feel the sunlight fading to the cold night, don't know where to turn, I don't know where to turn. All the dreams you're dreaming seem to lose the meaning. Let me in your world, baby, let me in your world. Oh, you need someone you can hold. Don't be sad, you're not alone. I will be here for you. Somewhere in the night, somewhere in the night, I'll shine a light for you. Somewhere in the night, I'll be standing by. I will be here for you. In this world of strangers, old and friendly faces, someone you can trust, or someone you can trust. I will be your shelter, I'll give you my shoulder. Reach out for my love, reach out for my love. Hold my name and my heart will hear. I will be there, there's nothing to fear. I will be here for you. Somewhere in the night, somewhere in the night, I'll shine a light